So when you look at the ventral part of the hand, okay, so you're looking at the ventral part of the hand, you want to find a specific landmark. Do you see kind of like coming from the palm region, this one right here? You're going to follow this up and keep your finger here. In fact, put your middle finger on here. This is palmaris longus. Look how it's coming long off the palm. Remember that, palmaris longus. This one, going closer to the thumb, is the flexor carpi radialis, because it's close to the radius. And these two right here, flexor carpi ulnaris. So when you come down here, these are the landmarks. Find the middle, palm, palmaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris. I mean, these are the tendons. The question will be over here, but of course you're going to landmark it this way. When you rotate, now I'm going to, oh, sorry. No, I'll stay on there. I'm sorry, I'll stay on there. So I have those three things that we just went over. This one right here is called the pronator teres. So when it contracts, the whole hand turns down. So when you contract this, it pronates. So this is the pronator teres. This one is the lateral side. So do you remember that this is the brachialis right here? Biceps brachii, triceps brachii, brachialis. Once the brachialis goes underneath, it goes under the brachioradialis. See how the brachioradialis comes here? So we have brachioradialis on the lateral side. If I remove the brachioradialis, this is the supinator. When you contract, it supinates the hand. Okay, so I'll do it again. So brachioradialis, supinator on the lateral side. On the medial side, pronator teres, flexor carpi radialis, palmaris longus, flexor carpi ulnaris. When I go on to the dorsal side of the arm, you have, go look for the landmark. I'm going to come back in. The landmark here is, you see these three middle fingers? Bring it up here. That is your extensor digitorum, spelled the same way that it is on the leg. So when you do it, three middle fingers come up here, extensor digitorum. What you do is, then you look at these, and these are the extensor carpi ulnaris, and this up here, these two, extensor carpi radialis, because it's closer to the thumb. See, here's the thumb right there. So you have, remember, you need to have three things. Right here, it comes up into one muscle, extensor digitorum, extensor carpi ulnaris, extensor carpi radialis. And the final thing is, when you look here above the thumb is called pollux, P-O-L-L-U-X. So we have two things here, and when the arm hangs down, think from the top to the bottom, it's in alphabetical order, A, E, right? A is above E. So this is abductor pollicis, which is the adjective form of pollux. Abductor pollicis, which abducts the thumb. Extensor pollicis, which extends the thumb. And see how they go into the thumb. And that's it. So that's what we'll do next week.